Sacha Guru Ladore found the true Guru, who discovered the ninth Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Guru Harkrishan Ji was the 8th Sikh Guru, and he couldn't name his successor at the time of his departure to heavenly abode in April 1664. He only uttered 2 words, Baba Bakale, meant that the next Guru was at Baba Bakala, Amritsar in Punjab. Makhan Shah Lubana was a rich trader from Jhelum, now in Pakistan. He is also known as the discoverer of 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Once he was returning home with his ship full of valuable goods. Baba Makhan Shah's ship was caught up in a furious storm and stuck in a whirlwind. Makhan Shah remembered his Guru and prayed for his help. Completely helpless and powerless, he knelt down and said Ardas, a Sikh prayer. He prayed desperately, Guruji, please save my ship and my men. He pledged to offer 500 gold coins to his Guru. Miraculously, the wind started to die down and the wild sea calmed down. The ship was carried out of the dangerous rocks without any harm. He recited in thankfulness, अपने सेवक की आपे राखे, आपे नाम जपावे, जह जय काज किरत सेवक की तहाँ तहाँ उठतावे, सेवक को निकटी होए दिखावे. According to Guru Harkrishan's prophecy that the next Guru would be found in Bakala, he started to Baba Bakala in August 1664. But on arriving Bakala, he found as many as 22 people pretending as the next Guru. Makhan Shah decided to offer only 5 gold coins to each posing to the Guru Harkrishan's successor. He thought that the true Guru would himself demand the exact amount he had promised to give. As expected, none of the imposers' Guru recognized Makhan Shah Lubana. Then he heard of the solitary Baba Tega, son of 6th Guru, Guru Hargobind Ji. He was meditating in solitude from 26 years, 9 months and 13 days in a Bhora underground place. He eagerly rushed to see him and placed 5 gold coins before Baba Tega Ji. But he said, why 5 coins instead of 500 coins as promised? It's not good to back out of the promises. Makhan Shah's joy has no limits. He discovered the true Guru and told that he would reveal his identity to the world. Guruji discouraged him by saying his face will be blackened if he did so. Because Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji was still desiring to meditate in solitude and told him not to tell anyone, Makhan Shah took it as a challenge. He put ash on his face and got on the top of the roof, and waving a cloth, he shouted, Sacha Guru Ladore, I have found the true Guru. Soon afterwards, ceremony was conducted by Bhai Gurditta Ji, the customary way of investiture of Sikhism. Baba Tega Ji became the 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. People gathered to have darshan, blessed vision of the true Guru. This is how Baba Makhan Shah Lubana discovered the 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji in Baba Bakala, Amritsar. Sacha Guru Ladore is celebrated every year in August in Baba Bakala. Guru Tegh Bahadur Simriye Kar Naunid Ave Tae. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.